Hi, I'm Dan McCall with the Client Virtualization Division at Citrix. With the release of XenClient Enterprise, we're making desktop virtualization even more flexible, meeting the needs of users regardless of whether they're connected to a network or not. Today we'll take a look at how XenClient Enterprise enables local desktop virtualization and see how it fits into the Citrix FlexCast delivery model, which is the only desktop virtualization solution in the market that literally lets a company cover all of their use cases. Let's take a look at how local execution works. Here we have a Type 1 client hypervisor that's running on the user's PC. That's right, this is literally running on the end user's machine. The OS, the apps, the user's profile, and their data are all here so that when the user unplugs to disconnect from the network, it just keeps working. And it's completely secure with AES 256-bit full disk encryption. But there's a lot more to it than that. When it's online, regardless of whether this is on a LAN or the public internet, it communicates via secure SSL connection to the XenClient Enterprise synchronizer, transparently and completely backing up all of the information from the user's PC right down to where each icon is located on the desktop. So what happens when the user's not online? That's no problem. XenClient Enterprise just keeps running and storing snapshot backups. When the user goes back online, it synchronizes the backups and downloads any new updates. But there's absolutely no disruption to the user if the network connection becomes intermittent or disappears completely. Together, these capabilities dramatically enhance manageability, reliability, and security. Things like full control of the device at the endpoint, shared image management, role-based administration, security including kill, remote lockout, USB filtering, rapid recovery and fast migration, and quick boot into a web-connected environment. So when do companies want to leverage locally executing virtual desktops? There are numerous reasons, and one of the biggest is the corporate laptop use case, where it's obvious why the ability to work offline or with limited network connectivity is critical. And this use case is expected to grow dramatically, especially with the advent of Intel-based Ultrabooks. In fact, the major analyst firms all predict double-digit growth for laptops, even with the growth of tablets as companion devices. Other use cases include where companies are looking to support branch offices with limited IT infrastructure or networking capabilities, or cases where a company doesn't wish to move to server-hosted virtual desktops, but still wants to gain all of the benefits of desktop virtualization. Let's take a look at the Citrix FlexCast delivery model. The important thing to note about FlexCast is that you get all of the pieces to build the solution that best fits your organization, and unlike other solutions, you get this under a single license. With the addition of XenClient Enterprise to FlexCast, we're now able to take desktop virtualization to every user in every corner of your organization. There's so much more about XenClient Enterprise I'd like to show you, but it doesn't fit into this short video. However, you can see and experience all that it has to offer by downloading a free trial and testing that on up to 10 PCs. Visit the link below to get started. And before you go, let me share one more valuable piece of information. If you're a XenTesktop Enterprise or Platinum customer, XenClient Enterprise is included in your license at no extra charge.